Hi! Are you preparing for the CIPP US exam? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'll share practice questions and answers. And if you're interested in getting more free study material, check out our website. Find the link in the description. Now, let's get started. Question 1. Which privacy enforcement action can a U.S. company expect from violating Privacy Shield commitments? A. European Commission fines. B. FTC investigations and penalties. C. U.S. court-imposed injunctions. D. State-level penalties from California Privacy Protection Agency. The answer is B. FTC investigations and penalties. U.S. companies that violate Privacy Shield commitments may face enforcement actions by the FTC. Question 2. Under FACTA, what is required of companies regarding the disposal of consumer information? A. Secure destruction of documents to protect against unauthorized access. B. Retention of records for a minimum of 7 years. C. Encryption of all disposed documents. D. Disclosure to consumers before disposal. The answer is A. Secure destruction of documents to protect against unauthorized access. FACTA requires the secure disposal of consumer information to prevent unauthorized access and misuse. Question 3. Which element is critical in the management of user preferences for data sharing? A. Ensuring all data is anonymized. B. Providing clear opt-out mechanisms. C. Only collecting data from users in certain jurisdictions. D. Limiting preference management to marketing data. The answer is B. Providing clear opt-out mechanisms. Managing user preferences effectively involves providing easy-to-understand mechanisms for users to opt out of data sharing. Question 4. What is a key component of vendor management concerning privacy? A. Allowing vendors to set their own security standards. B. Requiring vendors to comply with company data protection policies. C. Sharing all data types with vendors without restrictions. Excluding vendors from privacy audits. The answer is B. Requiring vendors to comply with company data protection policies. Effective vendor management involves ensuring that vendors adhere to the organization's data protection policies and practices. Question 5. The Federal Trade Commission's role in privacy enforcement primarily involves A. Imposing regulations on health data. B. Enforcing against unfair or deceptive business practices. C. Setting standards for financial data security. D. Overseeing state privacy regulations. The answer is B. Enforcing against unfair or deceptive business practices. The FTC plays a key role in privacy enforcement by targeting unfair or deceptive business practices that affect consumer privacy. Question 6. A major challenge in cross-border data transfers involves A. U.S. companies having full compliance under Privacy Shield alone. B. EU concerns about U.S. government surveillance. C. Consistent enforcement of global data protection laws. D. Limited scope of binding corporate rules, BCRs. The answer is B. EU concerns about U.S. government surveillance. A major challenge in cross-border data transfers is the EU's concern over U.S. surveillance laws that could compromise the privacy of EU citizens' data. Question 7. Which of the following best describes the FTC's approach to emerging technologies like IoT and AI? A. It imposes specific regulations for each technology. B. It uses existing frameworks to address privacy concerns. C. It leaves regulations solely to state governments. D. It does not regulate unregulated data uses. The answer is B. It uses existing frameworks to address privacy concerns. The FTC often applies existing legal frameworks, like those prohibiting unfair or deceptive acts, to regulate new technologies. Question 8. How does the California Consumer Privacy Act, CCPA, differ from traditional U.S. privacy laws? A. It applies only to healthcare data. B. It provides specific rights to California residents regarding personal data. C. It exempts small businesses from all privacy requirements. D. It is enforced by the federal government. The answer is B. It provides specific rights to California residents regarding personal data. The CCPA grants California residents specific rights over their personal information, which differ from traditional U.S. privacy laws. Question 9. Which of the following practices is prohibited under the Federal Trade Commission Act? A. Sharing user data without encryption. B. Misleading consumers about data collection practices. C. Collecting user data from public sources. D. Using data only for internal analytics without consent. The answer is B. Misleading consumers about data collection practices. Under the FTC Act, businesses are prohibited from engaging in deceptive practices, such as misleading consumers about data collection and usage. If you want more free practice questions, check out our website. And if you liked this video, give us a like and comment below what other privacy topics you're interested in learning about. That's it for now. Best of luck, and until next time.